Hello friend, welcome to my video. In here I will telling you how to download any video or any music from youtube.com. Okay, let's begin. Okay, first make sure your device is connected to the internet. Okay, if you are connected, then open the browser. In here you freely want to use any browser, but in here I choose Google Chrome. Okay, in this step enter the Google Chrome and search youtube.com. Nah, in here please search any video or any music that you want. For example, I search Sunday best song and click enter. To download it, to download video, first play the video. Play the video and don't forget to support the creator. You can click like and subscribe, and when that is all, to download it, click share and copy link. Yes, after you copy the link, then you make or you open the new tab. In new tab you can search the YT mp3.cc and click enter. Okay, is this loading? Okay, in here you just paste the link that was copied in the column, paste and click convert. In this step, wait a minute. Nah, when did it's all, in here you can choose what file that you want. If you want the music file, you can click Mp3, and when you want the video file, you can choose Mp4. But in here I choose Mp3 and I click download. Okay, wait a minute or wait for a while. Click download. Okay, click OK. Nah, in here, okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.